I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need minimal prep. Check Mac OS compatibility and free disk space so renders don't fail. Once ready, open iMovie and create a new movie in a library. This keeps projects organized. Then import media by dragging files from Finder or using the Import button. This caches clips for smooth playback. Make sure clips are labeled and grouped into events. That saves time later when you assemble a rough cut and helps iMovie manage storage and performance. Start placing clips into the timeline, then trim with edge drag or press Command+B to split precisely where needed. You'll want to adjust pacing, add cross dissolves, drag title templates on top, and use speed controls for slow motion or time-lapse because pacing controls viewer attention. Manage audio by detaching, lowering background tracks, and adding fades. This prevents abrupt volume jumps. Finally, balance visuals with color correction. Enable stabilization for shaky shots, and use green screen or picture-in-picture to layer elements. Once the edit is locked, go to Share and pick file or a destination service, then choose resolution, quality, and compression so you control file size. Exporting creates the final master. Save a project backup and consolidate media to an external drive if archiving. If export stalls or artifacts appear, try one key troubleshooting move. Free at least a few GB, update Mac OS and iMovie, then re-export. If a single clip causes issues, convert it to H.264 and re-import before retrying the export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.